So this is a street that follows into Tapsiek over there. So we're just gonna do a quick little view, show y'all the kind of cool stuff around here. Goes right into this Gosida area, and you have a beautiful park over here as well, a garden. But we're just gonna walk along these purple and yellow streets right here. So I hope you like it. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay. Kind of cool image. So yeah, there's more of this purple yellow down there, and there's like a nice it's like a tea ceremony place, that yellow one at the end. But I want to walk this way towards Tapsiek and kind of capture the beauty of this whole street. This is the Academy, I guess. Academy Joe. Keep on walking. So a lot of times I don't film the entire street. I just kind of film parts of it wherever I feel most interested in. Just between the two. We got another one. I'll turn the camera when we get there. So this is the Culture Institute right there. So you kind of got like a whole row of them all the way down, right? We got some more coming up as well. It's another view. Okay, we got a green light, so let's try to capture this green light if we can. Got it. So you got that kind of beautiful all the way down. This is kind of, this one goes underneath the park. We just try to capture the name of this road. So there it is right there. Avenida do Conselheiro Ferreira de Almeida. I can't pronounce it all. But that's the name of the street that Tapsiek is on. So we'll probably label it that one, and then also this one, which is Tapsiek. So yeah, you can actually see it all the way down. Kind of a row of them, right? It's kind of cool like that. You got some little alleys in there too. It's cool. So just kind of walk down a little bit, and then you also have a whole little sports center to the right as well. Just trying to capture some of the beauty of this. It's pretty cool. There you go. Then we're actually going to keep on walking down anyways, and then you get more views of it as well. I also want to kind of capture this right here. So there's a whole sporting thing right there as well. There we go. Tapsiek. So okay, so that's one of our several buildings. Got that one, and we got that one all the way down, right? Got some beautiful flowers here too. So I think we're just going to go a little bit further, and I think we're going to go into the Tapsiek actually. We'll go into the middle, and then we'll kind of turn the camera around. Tapsiek. That's one of the first casinos in Macau. It's Estoril. Now there's a replica of it on Cotai called Lisboa. So that was our street right down this one. So we basically started down that way and just came straight up here. So we'll end it right. We'll find a good spot for an ending. Right there, I think is good. Okay.